Hi, it's me, Turble Celbor, back with another tutorial for gaming on Linux. If you've been watching these, you know that all I care about is the gaming side of this. I don't really care about any of the other programming side. So what we're going to do today is, instead of talking about making stuff from source code, we're actually going to talk about how to run stuff that's been written in Java. Most stuff, you know, you get it through like Steam or GOG or whatever, and it'll just run, right? Well, some games are programmed in Java, which is a language I don't understand, don't know how to use, and quite frankly, I know it's different from JavaScript, and that's about the limit of my my knowledge. And somebody's probably going to tell me how wrong I am on that. So I'm going to show you how to actually run a game from Java on your Linux computer, assuming it's not got integrated Java execution. So some distros you can just click on the game and it'll just run, right? Not so much with Fedora and some of the other more popular distros. So to start out, I downloaded a Java-based game, and no, it's not Minecraft. These kids these days always want Minecraft. I don't play Minecraft. So what we got instead is I got Mech HQ, which is a game based on BattleTech. It's basically a digital implementation of BattleTech, right? So the thing is this is written in Java. If you're using a distro that's got good Java integration, you should be able to just right-click, and there'll be a thing that's just like run it, right? If you try to do this in some Linux, there's a lot of them, what you get instead is like, I don't know what to do with this. You could try opening it with files, but nothing's going to happen. You could try looking, and maybe there's a Java in here. Maybe. This has got no launchers. There's probably some GUI launcher that exists, but I'm going to show you how to do this from terminal, right? So first off, if you're going to run a Java program from terminal, what we got to do is we got to go to the right location. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy this location. And I'm going to open terminal. So when you copy the location by pressing the three buttons up there on Nautilus, it makes it a little easier to navigate, because all you have to do to go to the directory is CD, and then you just paste your location. There we go. So now we're in the right location. So the other thing you got to know about running Java is make sure you actually have it installed. So what you could do is you could just type Java version, and it'll tell you what you got. So I got OpenJDK installed. I think it just came with Fedora. I didn't really spend much time trying to grab any new ones. And then it's got version 21. Now, you might have some documentation from the person who made the game. In this case, they do, and they recommend you have at least Java 17, which we definitely got. And I close the terminal again. Wow, a smart move on my part, for sure. All right, so I have Java. I have it in the right location. I want to run the game, right? And all you got to do, really, is look at the directory. So with Java, anything that's a .jar file, that's an executable, effectively, right? Now, all I got to do is look. We got three jar files that I care about. We got megamech.jar, megamechlab.jar, and then we got mechhq.jar. So megamech actually has a couple of different programs. Megamech.jar is the actual game. So all we got to do to run a Java one is we go java-jar, and then we put megamech.jar. Mech.jar, and then we just go ahead and hit enter, and it'll throw up a bunch of stuff, and then there's the game. That's how you execute it from terminal. That's pretty much how you start a game in Java. I haven't had much trouble personally on any Linux platform running this kind of stuff, but you know, I'm sure lots of people have all kinds of problems. So anyway, that was pretty much a quick tutorial. Sorry there's no live stream today, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I hope it was helpful. If you have any complaints, put them in the comments, and I'll say something to you. Maybe.
Did you like that one? And, you know, if you like this, then you should check out some of the other videos. You know, maybe the channel. Definitely like and subscribe. You should check out highly videos. Yeah, that's really planned out. It was a high quality production. Like that one. You know, if you like the channel, then definitely like and subscribe to this videos. Yeah, it's really planned out. Videos, high quality production. Videos.